actually do it gradually. Well, you've been a very pleasant audience. Thank you so much. And in order, we will shortly begin a fascinating, intellectually high-powered, potentially endless conversation. But in order just to thank you, I think what I'd like to do finally is I'll sing you an Irish love song. I come from Ireland, right? It's called, you think I'm joking, don't you? It's called Raglan Road. On Raglan Road, on an autumn day, when I first saw her, I knew that her dark hair would weave a snare that I would one day rue. I saw the danger, but I strode along the enchanted way. And I said, let grief be a fallen leaf at the dawning of the day. On Grafton Street in November, we tripped lightly along the ledge of that deep ravine where can be seen the warmth of passion's pledge. The Queen of Hearts still making tarts, and I not making hay. Oh, I love to march, and by such was happiness thrown away. I gave her gifts of the mind, I gave her the secret sign that's known to the artists who have known great gods of sound and stone. Of words and tint I did not stint, I gave her poems to say, with her own name there and her own dark hair, like flowers over fields of May. In a lonely street where old ghosts meet, I see her walking now, away from me quite hurriedly. My reason must avow that I have loved not as I should, a creature made of clay. When the angel woos the clay, he lose his wings at dawn of day.